Okay, so the blizzard of 2010, the real blizzard of 2010, not February, but December 26th and 27th, cleanup begins. We have here a snowplow down the street stuck, but there is a backhoe trying to clear the snowplow out. You see these humongous icicles on the roof. You see the Volvo buried in the snow. This was shoveled out yesterday. You see my Infiniti buried in the snow. You have the EMT workers across the street trying to get someone out. They can't even get the ambulance because our street is covered in snow. I'm going to step over here. So, just to give people a general perspective of when I say we have like 3 feet of snow, people think I'm talking about drifts, and I'm not. I'm talking about actual snow. You can see the snow is all even, at least 3 feet. From the hood of the car, you notice how there's a straight path of snow. Now drifts in the backyard are 5-6 feet. The EMT man across the street is probably about 5'8". He said there was snow to his neck yesterday in rescuing someone. And this backhoe is really trying to clear things out so the ambulance can get down the street for the neighbor. This is all a part of, probably because of Governor Christie's cutbacks on this, that, and whatever. Everybody says the government is too big, but there obviously is not enough money to plow areas where people are paying taxes that are high as hell. So yeah, this snowplow has been there. This is a township snowplow, and this has been there for at least 24 hours. Here's a guy coming down the street. And you see how high the snow is on him. He's walking along the path that my crazy nephew was on earlier. The wind is down. But it's still crazy. We can't go nowhere. We stuck. They're really trying to clear this out to get an ambulance down the street. You see the ambulance light in the back over there in front of that White House. There is no way they're going to get this cleared in the next 10 minutes. Alright, enough's enough.